Hi, my name's Jean and I've worked for Cartrevi Conway since the beginning. It's important to listen to our customers and that they feel that they're listened to. During a conversation, we will summarise back to the customer what they have told us. This means the customer knows that we've understood, but also gives them the chance to correct us if we've misunderstood what they are asking for.
So what you're telling me, Miss Williams, is that you were in the property when you were carded? Right. Okay, I will ring the gas engineer to find out where he is, and I'll call you back to advise you of when he'll be returning. Is that okay?
We also use verbal nods. These let the customer know we're listening and are interested in what they are saying. Examples of verbal nods are, I see, I understand, I know what you mean, sure, that's great.